In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your logo to Shopify. This is an essential step in personalizing your online store and building a recognizable brand. By the end of this guide, you will have successfully integrated your logo into your Shopify site, giving it a professional and cohesive look. First things first, you'll need to access the Shopify admin panel. Begin by logging into your Shopify account. Once you've entered your login credentials, you'll find yourself on the admin dashboard, which is the control center of your store. Now, move your cursor to the bottom left corner of the page. You'll see a Settings option there. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking on Settings, a new menu will appear on the screen. From this menu, select General. This is where you can adjust basic settings for your Shopify store, including branding essentials. Now, scroll down on this page until you find a section labeled Brand Assets. This area is designed specifically for adding and managing the visual elements that define your store's brand identity. In the Brand Assets section, you'll see an option labeled Manage. Click on this to open the logo settings, which will allow you to upload or change your store's default logo. Next, you're going to add your default logo. Look for a blue plus button next to the Add a Default Logo option. Go ahead and click this button. This will prompt a new window to open, giving you the choice to either select your logo file from your computer or to simply drag and drop it into the designated upload area. Make sure your logo meets Shopify's requirements. It should be in either PNG or JPEG format, and ideally, it should be at least 512 pixels wide to ensure it's crisp and clear. Once you've selected or dropped your file, you'll need to confirm this selection. To do so, click Done. This will set your uploaded logo as the default image for your Shopify store's branding materials. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. At the top or bottom of the page, you'll see a Save button. Click it to ensure that your logo is now integrated into your store. Before we wrap up, it's essential to keep a few considerations in mind. Shopify recommends using PNG or JPEG files for your logo due to their high compatibility and quality. Your default logo should be at least 512 pixels wide to maintain visual clarity and professionalism. If you have a square logo variation, ideally it should be 512 pixels wide and 512 pixels tall to fit different display requirements. Also, remember that some Shopify themes offer specific customization options for logo placement and size within the theme editor. So, it might be worth exploring these settings to see how your logo can be best showcased. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded your logo to Shopify. Your store is now one step closer to reflecting your unique brand identity. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Shopify tips.